So today we'll be learning how to blend and mix materials in Unreal Engine 5. 5.5 to be specific because that is the latest version as of this day of recording the video. So what we'll be needing is a material that we want to put on top of our rock or whatever element that it may be. So go to Quixel Bridge, and in Quixel Bridge we have to search for a specific type of material. So go to surfaces and click on snow, and you can select whatever type of material that you want. So since I'm using a snow landscape for the purpose of this video, I will be using a snow material. Now when you download the material, you will get all these three maps: the displacement map, base map, and the normal map. Now go to the rock materials parent file, and here you can see a lot of node connections are made for the material. This is what the material is constituted about. Now go to the downloaded material, snow material that we downloaded from Quixel Bridge. So locate it in whichever folder that you have put it. I have put it in 3D assets, surfaces, fresh snow. Okay, now drag these three onto the editor and arrange them like this. Arrange them however you want, but you need to make the right node connections. So keep it like this. Right now, right click on the editor and go to texture coordinate. Select this. Now get multiply, and now you have to get one more node, that is the constants, right? If I'm not wrong. Okay, there's something wrong with my editor. Constants. Okay. Now what you need to do is make this connection. Connect this to A, B, and connect that to each of the U inputs of these nodes. You can give it a default value. I'm giving it a value of 3. And what we need is make material attributes. So connect this to the base color, this to normal, the red to ambient occlusion, and the green to roughness. And search for slope. And what you need to do is connect this node to the first node of the slope mask. Okay, so slope mask is what we will be using to mask our material. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to the content browser and right click and search for parameter and select metal parameter collection. I have already created that, and when you click it, inside you need to make 3 variables. So first one is slope angle of the slope mask node. So that is a vector, so you need to put it under vector parameters, and the other two are scalar parameters, and give it a value of 1. So fall off power will be 1, and second one will be the cheap contrast. Give it a value of 1 and save it. Okay, after you do that, come back, save it. Make sure you save it because sometimes Unreal Engine is prone to frequent crashes. So what you need to do is make sure you put a value of 1. Okay, otherwise it won't work. And come here and right click on the editor and select parameter collection that we have just created, and Control C Control V twice because we have 3 variables, right? So you need to connect each of them to its respective node. So first node connected to slope angle, select one to fall off power, third one to cheap contrast. Select the correct file, right? Otherwise you won't see this drop down on the left side. Make sure you do the correct connections. So angle, cheap contrast, yep. Okay, we are almost done with it. So only 2 more nodes are remaining. You can create a collection if you want. And now select for met layer blend underscore standard. So this is the standard material layer blending that we will be using to put snow on top of our asset. And so drag this pin, give it as input here, and it takes a top material and an alpha. So drag the first material make material attributes node to output to this input, right, and drag this into the output. Okay, make sure you save it. Always save your work. And then we need one more node. So this is the final output, right? So drag the final output over here, so it's better for clarity, right? So let me just drag it. Search for static switch. Now this static switch output will go into the final node. So connect this and you will see an error. So what you have to do is go to this node and connect it to the false node of the static switch and save it. And we are done. Okay, I think here you have to tick this default value checkbox. Click on apply, save. All right, make sure you save it. And then back to the Unreal Engine editor, and you can see that snow covered rock is there. This is very cool method of doing it. You don't need any other third-party softwares. So make sure you leave a follow, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.